Hello, financial fans. I'm looking at the stocks as of Thursday, the 22nd of December. This is not Friday's numbers, but it is Thursday's numbers, and I would imagine they'll be somewhat similar to Friday's numbers. And the indexes, the various indexes, have rearranged themselves just ever so slightly. I once again am ahead year to date. Year to date, I'm doing better with my portfolio than the S&P 500. I'm 17.9% down for the year, and the S&P 500 is 18.6% down for the year. The NASDAQ QQQ, the total NASDAQ, it's not doing too well. It's down 30.7%, 30.7% year to date. There's still a few days left in the year for the various indexes to do better. The IOO, which is the 100 of the NASDAQ biggest companies, is down 15.3%, so they're doing better than the other indexes that we've heard about so far. And the Dow 30, the DIA exchange traded fund, for the Dow 30 is down only 6.3%, which is quite a bit more than it was down a week ago or so. But all of the indexes seem to be down, and I don't know if that means they're getting ready to go up. When a roller coaster goes down, it gets down to the bottom of the loop, it goes up. Is the stock market like a roller coaster? We shall find out. I did sell 4 stocks, not because I think they're not going to do well in the future. I'm doing this strictly for tax purposes, to get a little bit of a capital loss that I can put in there to apply to the capital gains. And the 4 stocks that I sold, this is not a big deal for me as far as big change in the portfolio, because the total of these 4 stocks would be probably 2 or 3% of my total portfolio. I sold PRNT, which is 3D printing, that's an exchange traded fund. I sold ARKW, also an exchange traded fund, and they were down quite a bit, and the fact that they're down, I'm using that as a reason to sell them to get the capital loss. And GM, General Motors, is down, and WBD, Warner Brothers, those stocks were down enough that I went ahead and sold them, and that will give me tax benefits. And I told you that they're not a big part of my portfolio. The 4 stocks together, 20 shares in one, 20 shares in one, 50 shares in one, 24 shares, for a grand total of 114 shares total of my portfolio is what I sold today. And with that out of the way, let me go right over here. I'm going to mention 4 stocks that have some pretty interesting numbers. They look in a normal year, these would be buys, B-U-Y-S. Begin with Pioneer Natural Resources Company, PXD is the symbol. The closing price on Thursday was $220.15 per share, and after hours it went up a little bit to $220.80 per share. The 2/3 of the way down column on the left, the 52-week range, we see that the low for the past 52 weeks was $177.12, and the high was $288.46. So it's pretty much in the middle there of its 52-week range right now. The average volume, a little over 2,374,000 shares trade every day. And in the middle column, third item down, PE ratio 7.83. I like a PE ratio under 10. And PXD has that with a 7.83 PE ratio. Forward dividend and yield, 11%, a little over 11.25% is the yield, so it has a nice dividend if you just want to park your money there and not pay any attention to the ups and downs day by day. You might get this big dividend that actually beats inflation right now. 1 year target estimate, $280.59, so that could be a stock that is growing quite well. Next we look at Star Bulk Carriers Corporation. SBLK is the symbol, and the 52-week range, $16.85 was the low and $33.99 was the high for the past 52 weeks right now. $20.22 is the price after hours. Average volume for SBLK is 1,812,000 shares trading every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. Look at the PE ratio, third item down, the middle column, 2.3. That is pretty amazing, but wait till you see the dividend. Earnings per share, $8.74, and they're giving out $6.50 for dividend, and the yield on that is 31.65%. That might not ever happen again, but it is tempting and teasing there. 1 year target estimate for Star Bulk Carriers Corporation, $30.43 per share. Moving on, we look at SU, Suncor Energy Incorporated, and the 52-week range for Suncor, $24.11 was the low and $42.72 was the high over the past 52 weeks. And the current price after hours, $30.39. Average volume, a little over 5.5 million shares trade every day. This stock is considered to be near fair value. The third item down in the middle column, PE ratio, 7.47. Looks nice. The forward dividend and yield, about 5%, 4.98% dividend. The 1 year target estimate, $39.83, and that would be enough to call this one a growth stock if that should happen. Next we look at Wells Fargo. WFC is the symbol. The after hours trading price, $40.66 per share. Financial stocks could do very well in 2023, but we will have to wait and see what happens as it plays the play out. 52-week range, $36.54 was the low for the past 52 weeks, and $60.30 was the high. The average volume, 18,880,000 shares, so it's got a lot of volume. And the stock is considered to be undervalued. I agree. PE ratio 10.57, slightly over 10. Forward dividend and yield, almost 3%, not enough to be anything that we would be interested in using as a reason to buy the stock. 2.92 is very low and it does not keep up with inflation, but we look at the 1 year target estimate, $53.75, and that would be wonderful. And I thank you very much for watching.